DIY Dad here at Heartland, America with the Flame King Torch. This is a great tool. It provides 340,000 BTUs of heat to melt and destroy weeds, ice, and snow in multiple environments. It's a great tool that can be very versatile. It comes with a spark igniter right here, and it has an on-off switch right here, and you can adjust the flow of the LP gas from here. It hooks up to a basic LP tank that you'd use, say for example, for your gas grill at home, which is really nice and convenient. They come in like 20-pound tanks is the most common. Now we're going to connect the torch to a regular propane that you can use on your gas grill or anything. Now keep in mind, this is what they call a reverse thread, so you have to twist it the opposite direction. Make sure it's good and tight. Turn on the valve. And on this here, there's a spark igniter on here. This is the valve. Turn on the valve to let the gas flow through. You can hear the valve. You can see how it's just melting away the snow and the ice. There's not a lot of gas in this propane tank, but if you had more gas and more pressure, it'd really come shooting out more. In order to stop it, just let go of the trigger, and you can just turn the valve off too. And always turn off the gas on your tank, and then you can unscrew it if you want. I usually recommend unscrewing it, that way you know everything's disconnected. You may hear a little bit of gas coming out, just only because what's still in the line, just so you know. This product is a great product for getting rid of ice, snow, or weeds. You can get it at heartlandamerica.com.